So let's solve this probability question. The table above shows the number of limes and apples of the same size in a bag. If two of the fruits are picked at random, one at a time, without replacements, find the probability that A. Both are good limes. Both are good limes. So the table is what you see here. So we have good limes 10, good apples 8, bad limes 6, good apples 6. So in probability, remember that it is number of items over total outcome. So that means you have to know the total outcome. What is the total number of fruits? Yeah, I have 10 good limes, 8 good apples, 6 bad limes, and 6 bad apples. So add everything is 30. That means total number of fruits here is 30. That means anything I will do here must be divided by 30. So now both are good limes. If both are good limes, so I'll represent limes as L, capital L. So that is both are good limes. So now if the first is good, the probability is 10 divided by 30, because total outcome is 30 and number of good limes is 10. So 10 over 30 times, remember it is without replacement. Because it is without replacement, if you pick the first one and it is a good line, that means the total number of lime will reduce to 9 and total number of fruits will be 29, because total number of fruits is 30 before. Now you've picked one out and it is a good line, so total number will be minus 1, that is 29. Also the fruit is 10 before, removing one there is 9. So that means picking the first one and it is line, a good line, it is 10 over 30, and that is times, pick the second one, yeah, the line, and it is also good, so you remove 1. So that means 9 divided by 29. Without replacement, as you pick, the ball reduce, total number also reduce. But if it is with replacement now, this will have been 10 over 30 for the first line times again 10 over 30 for the second line. This is with replacement, meaning there is no reduction, everything remain the same. But without replacement, as you pick each time, total number of balls reduce. So as it's 30 here, it will be 29 here. So this is 10 good lines, so it will be remaining 9 good lines. So know the difference with replacement and without replacement. So now you can divide. So this will be 0 cancel 0, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So that means the answer, so probability that both are good limes is 3 over 29. So that is the answer for A. Now let's see the B part. So A is 3 over 29. So B, both are bad fruits. Now this one require reasoning. Both are bad fruits. If you look at the first question A, both are good limes. Do you see the question mention the fruits? Lime, so we can easily go straight to limes. But here, both are bad fruits. The question did not say maybe it is lime or it is apple. They don't mention. The question just said that both are bad fruits. Now you will now use your own common sense that okay, since I don't actually know the fruits, then it can be, since both are bad fruits, it can be either bad lime, as in bad limes, or it can be bad apples. That is, if both are bad fruits, it's either it is lime or apple. And it can also be one bad lime and one bad apple. We can have combination of bads. So, or since the question did not mention, we have all the possibilities, or probability of one bad apple and one bad line. So this will be our possibilities. So that is, so far the question did not mention whether it is apples or limes. So we just know that both are bad and they are bad fruits. So the possibilities can be either the bad fruit are lime, apple. So we can also have combination of the bads, that is either lime first and apple next, or apple first and lime next. So those are the possible ways. So now this will be, what is probability that both are lime and it's bad? So that will be 6 over 30 times, remember for bad limes you have 6, another lime again that is bad you have 5 over 29. Remember, it is without replacement. Total number will always reduce. All means plus apple. So you have 6 apples that are bad. So that will also be 6 over 30 times 5 over 29. Or again, probability of one bad lime, lime is 6, and one bad apple, which is 6. So one bad lime, that will be 6 over 30 times one bad apple. We have not picked apple before, so this will still remain as 6 over 29. So know that the reason why this is 5 is because it's the same fruits. First is lime, is 6. Second is also lime. You have picked lime before, so it will be 5. So if you compare with this is lime apple. First is 6, which is lime. Another is apple, which is also 6. We have not picked it before. So if you have picked the fruits before, it will always decrease. Plus this one also, apple, one bad apple. So that is 6 over 13 times 6, because you have not picked lime. So that will also be 6 over 29. But each time, total number always decrease. So like that. That is why you see 30, 29, 30, 29. Total number of fruit will always decrease. And if you have or, you need to start afresh. So that's why we have plus or. So I'm starting again, 30, 29. Or, so not that you continue. So like that. So this is our result. So add everything and press your calculator. So don't cancel here. So everything should have common denominator. So this is 30 over, that is 6 times 5, 30. Or if you reduce, so that you can still have common denominator here. So we can still say 3 here, 3 here 2, 3 here 10. So In short, 6 can go. Let's use 6 straight. 6 here 1, 6 here 5. So I won't cancel the other one because I want the denominator to be the same. 6 here 1, 6 here 5. 6 here 1, 6 here 5. 6 here 1, 6 here 5. So I'll just multiply straight because I want the denominator to be common. So 1 times 5, 5. Divided by, then 5 times 29, 145. Plus the second one again, 1 times 5, 5. 5 times 29, 145. Plus this one again, 1 times 6, 6. Divided by 5 times 29, 145. So that's why I did not cancel further, so that all my denominator will be the same. Again, 6 over 145. So now LCM is 145 throughout. So we have, so you need to judge. So let me cancel out this. So find the LCM. LCM is 145. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. So if you find the LCM, so 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. So that is 22 over 145. So that is the answer for the second one. So that is for both are bad fruits. So 22 over 145. So now let's see the C part. C. 1 is a good apple and the other is a bad apple. Is a bad lime. So one is a good apple and the other is a bad lime. Now the question did not specify which one first, but we know that out of the two apples, one is a good apple. Out of the two fruits, one is a good apple and the other is a bad lime. Question did not say whether the first one is a good apple or the second one is a bad lime. So because of that, we are going to reason it this way. That means we only know that one is a good apple. It means either the first one is a good apple and the second one is a bad lime, or first one is a bad lime and second one is a good apple. So like that, because in the question did not actually say one is good, one is bad. So we just know that it is a good apple and a bad lime. That means the first one can be apple, good apple, and the second one is a bad lime, or the first one is a bad lime and the second one is a good apple. So if you look at this now, it means one is a good apple and the other is a bad lime. Compared to this statement, the first is a good apple and the second is a bad lime. That means we have specified that the first one must be good apple, second one must be bad lime. But in this case, the question just states one. It did not say first. So one is a good apple, other is a bad lime. So, and this is it. Is that it is AL or LA. So now, good apple. We know that a good apple is 8. So that will be 8 over 30 times bad line. Bad line is 6. So that will be 6 over 29. Or is plus. So bad line. So that is 6. So bad line. That is 6 over 36. And 6 over 30 total number. And good apple. You know, that will be 8 over 29. So like that. So this is the result. So you can now cancel out. Like 2 here, 4, 2 here, 15. I want the denominator to be common. So then multiply straight. So if you don't cancel, you can also multiply straight so that you have common denominator. So 8 times 6 is 48. That means this is 48 over 30 times 29. That is 870. Plus again 48 over 870. So what's the LCM there? LCM is 870. So you have 48 plus 48. So 48 plus 48 is 96. So 96 over 870. So you can reduce it to the lowest term. So 96 divided by 870. So if you like, can cancel 1 by 1. So what number can go? Yeah, 6 can go in 96. So 96 divided by 6 is 16. Divided by 870 divided by 6, 145. So final answer is, so that is 6 here, 16, 6 here, 145. So that means final answer is 16 over 145. So we have solved the question.